Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel Novexa health subscription. If you have purchased any product on this brand by this brand and by mistake you have activated subscription or you want to cancel it, so how you can cancel, okay? So basically the cancellation is very easy. What you have to do, you need to visit on your order section. Like when you place your order, you will get order confirmation email, okay? And you have a link in the order and you can manage your subscription from there only. There is no other way by which you can cancel your subscription. Or you can do one thing also, you can compose an email regarding the order cancellation or subscription cancellation, and you can send their subscription at their email address also. Email address is available on their official website and you can find the email and you can send an email, okay? So there is no other way by which you can cancel your subscription on Nova. You can say like this brand Novexa Health, okay? So this is the information. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.